Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Power BI and Jira Cloud. Power BI helps us visualize data like pros, while Jira Cloud keeps projects on track. Now imagine combining these two, suddenly your data becomes insights. Before we jump into integration, let's briefly understand what each tool brings to the table. Get ready because this is where things get exciting. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Why should we even bother integrating Power BI with Jira? Well, if you love tracking your projects efficiently, this is a game changer. With this integration, data drives our decisions, reporting becomes automated, and teams work smarter, not harder. The result: better collaboration and insights that keep projects moving smoothly. And let's be honest, who doesn't love fewer manual reports? Before we jump into integration, let's talk prerequisites. You need a Jira Cloud account, a Power BI subscription, and the right permissions, because nobody likes hitting security roadblocks. Also, a little knowledge about APIs goes a long way. Think of this as packing your essentials before a road trip. You wouldn't forget your snacks, would you? Now, let's explore how we can actually connect Power BI to Jira. You have options: using Jira's web API, leveraging a Power BI connector, relying on third-party tools, or even building a custom solution. Each has its pros and cons, and choosing the right one depends on your needs. Think of it like picking a car. Do you want speed, efficiency, or customization? Let's break them down. All right, folks, step 1, getting the Jira data into Power BI. Sounds easy, right? Well, it's kind of like assembling IKEA furniture without the manuals. First, connect Power BI to Jira, and trust me, permissions matter. Don't get locked out like your neighbor forgot their keys. Then be picky with your data, choose only what you need. Finally, make sure your data is intact because messy imports are like spilled coffee on Monday morning. A disaster waiting to happen. Cleaning data is like cleaning your room. You don't want to, but you absolutely need to. First, ditch duplicates because who needs redundancy? Then structure it properly so Power BI actually understands what's going on. Missing values. Fill them in smartly, just like filling in that missing dessert from last night's dinner. And finally, optimizing data types will keep things smoothed, because a slow dashboard is worse than slow Wi-Fi. Dashboards. The magical windows into our data world. Think of them like social media profiles. Curate wisely, because a cluttered dashboard is just as bad as an overfiltered selfie. Pick visuals that actually make sense. Don't throw in a pie chart just because it's colorful. Interactivity is key, so make sure users can click around without confusion. And before launching, test thoroughly, because showing broken dashboards in a meeting is like serving uncooked pasta. Templates, the lifesavers of lazy analysts. Why start from scratch when Power BI has done half the work for you? Understand how these pre-built templates function and tweak them to match your specific needs. But don't assume it'll work perfectly. Compatibility matters, just like choosing the right charger for your phone. And if done right, templates can save hours of work, so use them smartly. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.